Apple tape.
Sound, action background.
Water.
One apple, take 3.
Places! Background action! You're not the teacher! All around! You're not the director.
You heard him.
Denso Denso's unparalleled iridium spark plugs are to ignite again and again and again without a misfire. Oh, man. Wrong, wait, what's his name? Jason! Without a misfire. Wrong, Jason. What you need is an Denso's iridium spark plugs Oh, God.
It's okay. Look down the barrel of that camera, right? Keep your eyes focused right on that lens, okay? There you go. Okay.
Instead of staring daggers at it, I'll stare spark plugs.
There you go.
Spark plugs, spark plugs, spark plugs, spark plugs. Wrong, Jackson. Wait, what? Jackson! Denso's iridium spark plugs I did the wrong one. Wait a second. First, we have to wait 10 seconds to make sure there's no distractions coming. Denso's iridium 0.4 millimeter electric with optimal performance and more overall lifetime savings. What do you need this horsepower?
Okay.
What do you think, Tanner? What do you think is most important in a race? Winning. Now I like this kid.
Let's cut it.
Hey, cut.
Wrong, Jason. What? It's about endurance. Please be the last take. Please be the last take.
You ready?
Tell me this commercial doesn't have these little bad ending things for all to forget that he